This is Birria Bombs. It actually comes directly from Easy Bombs. Really cool. So let me go ahead and just open it for you real quick. This package comes with 2 of these, which equates to 8 pounds. You can use 2 of these bombs for 8 pounds of whatever meat you'd like to try. So today we're actually going to go ahead and do it with pork. So I'm going to take 4 pounds of pork right here, and I'm actually going to be putting it directly into my Instant Pot right here. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to do it, so that way you can do it at home yourself. And make things super simple. Easy Bombs actually put directions on the back of here, and it tells you how to do each separate way of how you would like to prepare your birria. I am going to do the Instant Pot method because it's quicker for me, and I got to feed some people that are coming over right now. And you can also do slow cooker for 6 hours and stovetop for 3 hours. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you look on the back of the package here, it'll actually give you a step-by-step of how it wants you to go ahead and prepare this in the pressure cooker, which is really nice. And it says right here, effortless, authentic birria every time. Our Easy Bombs are crafted with care to deliver deep, complex notes of chili, spices, or herbs for irresistible birria. And it's like it's from a Mexican mercado, as it says, which if you think about it, you literally have convenience right here in a package. So that way you don't have to measure out your seasonings or anything like that. And just with this package, it serves about 10 to 15 people. That's pretty nice. So I went ahead and dropped the bomb in there. Now, all I'm going to do is, per the directions, I'm going to go ahead and start my cooking process right now. So I just went ahead and added the bomb and the meat directly to my Instant Pot. I went ahead and set it on pressure cook high for 1 hour and 45 minutes. And like I said, once it's completed, I'll show you the result. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at how dark that is. That's amazing. Okay, so you can see it, like, as of right now, it's it's perfect. Look how tender this is. So my knife, I don't know if you guys can really see this or not, but it's the way that this is pressure cooked, you're getting that really tender meat that you can actually just go ahead and rip apart with a pair of forks. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's perfect.